Do you want to secure the future of your industrial business? Talk2m Pro is your best partner at this level. This solution adds an extra dimension to industrial connectivity. Connect to your machine at any time with over 20 gigabytes of monthly VPN traffic. Thanks to data collected on the Talk2m Industrial Cloud, you can make informed decisions on the fly. Talk2m Pro lets you manage all your clients within a single account. Invite collaborators or end users to take advantage of their machine remotely, with the possibility of simultaneous connections. Because security is key, you can precisely define the role of each user. Define advanced firewall rules to limit access to specific parts of your machine. With Talk2m Pro, you also benefit from E1's renowned SLA. Your guaranteed availability of at least 99.5%. The benefits? Reduced downtime, increased productivity, enhanced efficiency, greater profitability. Talk2m, your way to a smarter, more efficient future.